Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can shave your faces, and there are lots of myths which are associated with shaving your face, that it makes your hair grow thicker, coarser and darker. I'm going to bust some for you guys, and I'll also talk about its benefit. So we are quickly going to be starting. Please stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm going to talk about my anti-pigmentation routine and what has worked for me. So as you guys can look at my face, I'm a hairy girl. I have lots and lots of hair. So the first step is going to be applying some oil. This is gonna make sure that your skin has moisture, and the process of shaving is gonna be very smooth. So this is oil by Nykaa. This is anti-pigmentation oil, and I've been using it for 2 months now. And if you want me to make a review on this, please let me know in the comments down below. The first step is gonna be hold your skin taut. Also make sure that your razor is at 45 degrees from your skin. This is going to make your experience very easier. So guys, talking about the benefits of shaving your face, it is instantly gonna make your skin very soft and smooth. It also helps in removing the dead skin cells you have in your face, and of course it is gonna remove all the hair. If you shave your faces, guys, it is gonna make your makeup stay very put, and I have seen lots and lots of celebrities doing it. I saw Taylor Swift talking about it, that she shaves her face regularly, and I've been doing it for an year now, and it has worked amazingly well for my skin. So I would recommend every one of you out there to try it out. And this is the entire process, guys. You just need to hold your skin taut and just place the razor at 45 degrees and keep going. Make sure that you do not end up with any cuts, so just do it exactly how I'm telling you guys to do it. And there is one more myth, guys. It's said that your hair grows thicker, coarser and darker once you start shaving your face. It's not like that. It's just that when you put razor on your face, the end of your hair gets a little blunt, so it gives the appearance that they are a little bit thicker. It's nothing like that. You do not need to worry about it. Also guys, talking about my pigmentation, I've been using this Mama Earth Bye Bye Blemishes cream, and it has all the natural ingredient. It has mulberry extract and vitamin C, which helps in lightening your dark spots and the pigmentation you have in your face. Also, this brand is plastic positive, and it's a cruelty free brand, so which is going to be great. It doesn't have any harsh chemical or parabens. It has given me amazing results. If you buy it from my code Ritu20, you are going to get extra 20% off. This is available on Mama Earth. This is available on Nykaa and Amazon. I'm going to give all the product link in the description box below, so you guys can check out the entire range. I love their aloe vera gel, so you can check out that as well. Also, I hope that you are able to see a clear difference in my skin tone. And I'm supporting Indian brands, so hashtag vocal for local. I hope you guys are able to see the difference in my skin tone. It's radiant, it's glowing, it's smooth and whatnot. I'll see you guys super soon with another video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Bye bye, and I love you guys so much.